Okay, let me demonstrate the problem we're having with the holding tank. I'm logged in as an administrator, and I'll go directly to the SIS integration course mappings area, and I'll map a course. So I'm going to use this one, AC 20102 financial reporting. I select it and I add it to the list. It's down here. Say map 1-to-1. Am I sure? Yes. So the mapping is done. Now I can go into administrative functions and initiate move to D2L process, and I will run that process. Now we've always used this. I mean, during our testing, where we're still in the testing phase, by the way. We've never actually used the SIS import on the live server at all. So it's not scheduled. There's no cron job being run. We're using these tools here to do the testing. So let's go to the transaction log, and I can show you what the problem is. We'll look at the transactions for the move to D2L processes today, and this is the issue. Everything works, so this is the actual time that I'm doing this, is right here. But here's the problem. Failed to create folder structure. Method tilde of object tilde failed. So that's pretty clear that there's a problem creating the folder. We can take a closer look at it by looking at the course. So I can do a search for the course, AC 20102, I think it is. So I'm there. The course actually gets created, which is interesting, but if I go to content, notice right away that there is no manage files area, which is a clue that there's something wrong. But let me go ahead and see how far I can get. I'll create a new module, call it test, save this. Now I'll try to create a topic within that module test, and let's say, for example, create a new file. Call it hello. So I'll try to save this, and there you go. Internal server error, scripting error has occurred, internal error. I'm not sure what other information you can get from this. You could always, I guess, pause the video if you want to read this, but so there's no folder being created. We can look at it in a couple of different ways. Another place is I'm still logged in as an administrator here, and I can go into Dome, and I'll search for this org unit within Dome here. It's AC 20102. Do the search. Look at the properties for the course, and I can see that the org unit path is incorrect. It's just in the sort of the root content folder. On our installation, I would expect this to be under /content /enforced / and then the org unit number, and then the course code is the name of the folder. So again, the folder is not being created properly when we use the holding tank. Everything else seems to be okay, other than creating the folder. Okay, thanks.